How to choose the perfect wall sconces. Welcome to this tutorial on choosing the right wall sconces. Wall sconces are a great way to add ambient lighting to a room and also serve as decorative accents. They're easy to install and can transform the look and feel of any space. Step 1. Choose the right sconces. Before you start, you need to choose the right wall sconces for your space. Consider the style of your room and the type of lighting you want. There are different types of wall sconces, such as uplights, downlights, and those that cast light in all directions. Uplights. These sconces shine light upward, which can create a dramatic effect on walls or ceilings. They're great for adding ambient lighting to a room or highlighting architectural features. Downlights. These sconces shine light downward, which makes them ideal for task lighting, such as illuminating a reading nook or a bathroom vanity. Ambient sconces. These sconces cast light in all directions, which can create a warm and inviting atmosphere in a room. They're great for general lighting or as a decorative accent. Decide which type of lighting will work best in your room. Step 2. Decide on placement. Once you have chosen the right wall sconces, you need to decide on their placement. This will depend on the size of the room, the height of the ceiling, and the purpose of the sconces. Generally, wall sconces should be placed at eye level or slightly above and spaced about 6 to 8 feet apart. If you're using wall sconces to illuminate a specific area, such as a painting or a mirror, make sure they're placed in the right position to highlight that area. Step 3. Adjust the light. Once the wall sconces are installed, you'll want to adjust the light to achieve the desired effect. If you're using dimmer switches, adjust them to create the right amount of light. You can also adjust the angle of the sconces to control the direction of the light. If you're using sconces to highlight a specific area, experiment with different angles to get the best effect. That's it. With your wall sconces installed and adjusted, it's time to enjoy your new lighting. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use wall sconces, and don't forget to follow for more interior design tips.